Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today we're going to talk about how to bleed air out of your plow system hydraulics. There are two basic types of plow hydraulic cylinders on this plow. The first is the raise and lower cylinder. This cylinder, fluid is pumped into the cylinder and it pushes the plow up. When you open an electronic valve, it lets the fluid out. There's no downward pressure on this plow. It simply works off gravity to get all the fluid or air out of this cylinder. The lower cylinders are bidirectional. One pushes and one pulls, so you have hydraulic pressure going both directions. The way to get the air out of this plow system is to actuate the hydraulic cylinders all the way from one end to the other. The air will bleed out of the reservoir here by itself. You want to check the reservoir after you bleed all the air, as the air takes up space and now the fluid is taking up that excess space. You'll need to add some extra fluid after you get all the air out of the system. And to bleed the air, you simply lower the plow all the way, push the cylinder all the way down so there's nothing left but fluid in the system, and do the same with the angle hydraulic cylinders. If you angle them all the way to the left and all the way to the right, we're going to force all of the air, which is going to rise up into the reservoir. These are a couple of tips on how to get air out of your plow hydraulic system. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.